Hi there, it's me, Anna Amelia, and we are going to bring you our May 2013 Bloom box. And this is our second month getting it. I've been very happy with it the first time. This is for Natalie. She is 2 months old. What I also like about Bloom is that you do your reviews on your products, so you get points. Yay, Amelia's excited. And you also get points for referring friends. And then if you get 500 points, then you get a free box. So if you like this, go ahead and click the link below. Here we go. Oh my goodness. What do we see, Amelia? Hold on. Happy and healthy is the theme this month from Bloom. And it looks like we got some more gripe water. We also got some gripe water in our Citrus Lane box. Oh, what is this, Mia?
I love the toy.
It's a toy. It's a baby's travel pillow. And this couldn't have been more perfect because she is outgrowing that neck holder in our car seats. And so she's been slouching a lot. Oh, what else do we got, Mia?
I got a baby wooden spider.
Keep it clean. Closes when dropped. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice little pacifier from Raz Baby. And then what do we have? Ooh, Mia, look, it's a bathtub thermometer.
It's a bathtub.
Yep, so when you go take a bath, we'll throw that in the bathtub. It'll tell us how hot it is. And then we have... Wait, Mia, let me see. Belly Banter stickers. And then you can put them by photographs of your kids. Wow, that's pretty neat. Then we have yeah.
Won't change it.
More information about the Keep It Clean pacifier and a raspberry teether. Then more stuff about the gripe water and a $1 off coupon. And then a Burt's Bees chapstick for the mommy. Well, that was pretty neat. What do you think, Mia? That stuff is pretty good for Natalie. Oh, watch out, honey. Alright, well, we will see you in the next video.